Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got you another video. In this video I'll show you how you can download movies on Hulu. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, let's get into it. For that, all you gotta do is simply access your particular browser. For instance, so now we're gonna simply browser, right? So now we're gonna simply go ahead and type in hulu.com and access the official website of theirs. So per se that you have been accessing Hulu through your laptop or computer as well, and the thing that you have to know it, either you access it from your browser of your phone or from your computer or the app on your computer, you won't be able to get the download option on either of them. For that sake, you have to simply go ahead, go to your app store or play store, go to search bar, type in Hulu and download the Hulu app on your device. And then once you have had that on your phone, then you simply will be able to access your particular app and simply sign in, and now go ahead and access the show that you would like download and tap on it, and then you will find download option. You can tap on the download and download that series on your device. That is the only way for you to do so. Hope this video was helpful to you all. Thank you so much for watching, and yes, I'll see you guys in our next video.